Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create like this jar animation in the After Effects. So make sure watch till the end to get the full workflow. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit like button. It's really helped me a lot to keep making tutorials for you. Also, all project files are available in the description, so feel free to download them and follow along. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial. So we are going to use these two footages in this video. So drag and drop into the After Effects and make any composition and name it main. And I will make the size 920 by 1080 and duration 10 seconds and hit OK. And guys, double click on this rectangle to add a background. So this is radial gradient. So select first color and I will make it red. You can copy the hex code, and second one will be little darker. All right, and third will be more darker. You can copy the hex code guys, and this location is 0 and second location 41 and third location is 82. Okay, and hit OK and select this handle and move it to the right side like this. And your background is ready. So name it background and lock this layer. After that, drag and drop this jar into the timeline and press S, decrease the scale size. Now we will make a composition of this packaging. So select this packaging and drag and drop onto this composition icon. It will create a composition of this packaging. Okay. Now go to the effective preset panel and search CC Reptile and apply onto this packaging and make the expand right 5000 and expand left 5000. Okay, now press P and add a keyframe in the beginning and move it to the right side like this. After that, go to the 2 seconds and move it to the left side like this. Alright, if you play you will see something like this. Now select both of these keyframes and apply to ease them. Go to the graph editor and make sure speed graph is enabled and select this right handle and move it to the left side like this. And if you play you will see something like this, smooth transition. Alright, now go to the main and drag and drop this packaging composition. Press S and decrease the scale size. Now press T and decrease the opacity of this packaging for now. Packaging size is still bigger, so press S and decrease the scale size. After that, press T and make the opacity value 100%. Select this jar and we will make a mask of this packaging. So Ctrl D to duplicate this jar and move it above the packaging. Now select the packaging and make a mask with the jar. And if you play this, you will see this is looking a little fake right now. So we will select packaging and jar and right click and pre-compose it and let's name it packaging mockup and hit OK. So this is our crop packaging. So go to the effect and preset panel and type CC cylinder and apply onto it. And guys, now let's make this size. So expand the radius. So let's make the radius around 104. After that, press S and decrease the scale size and unlink the scaling and let's make the Y value 88 and expand the radius again. So I will make it around 108 radius value and it's looking good now. Now expand the light and change the light direction. So I will move it to the right side. So let's make it -63. Now this is our beautiful mockup is ready. If you play the animation, you will see packaging is not animating after 2 seconds. So go to the around 2 seconds and trim the packaging mockup layer till the 2 seconds. Okay. After that, right click, time and enable time remapping. So we will add a keyframe at the 2 seconds. So click on it to add a keyframe and go to the beginning and add a keyframe one more. Delete the first keyframe and delete this last as well. After that, move it to the left side completely. Now hold Alt and click on time remap to add expression. Type loop out open bracket close bracket. After that, stretch the layer till the end. If you play the animation, you will see this is working after 2 seconds as well. Now we will make glowing jar and Ctrl to duplicate this jar and name it jar light. After that, go to the effect and preset panel and search glow and apply onto it and make the glow threshold value 37% and press T and decrease the opacity. So let's make it around 61%. After that, let's apply expression on it. So hold Alt and click on it to add expression and Ctrl V to paste the expression, and you can copy the expression from the description. And if you play the animation, you will see something like this blinking effect on the jar. Now select all of these 3 layers and right click, pre-compose it and name it main jar and hit OK. After that, rotate the jar, so press R and rotate it as per your requirement. So I will make it rotation value around -26% and decrease the scale size. Let's make it 89%. Now we will add some layer style. So right click, select the layer style and select this inner glow. Okay, so expand this inner glow and change the color to the orange, and you can copy the color hex code. So this is my color and hit OK. After that, change the opacity value to 100% and blend mode to the color dodge. Also, let's make this size 30. Now let's add the outer glow. So right click, layer style and select this outer glow and select the inner glow and expand the outer glow, and let's make the color same orange. So we will use same hex code and hit OK. Make the blend mode to the color dodge and opacity 100% and size 30. Now you will see something like this glowing jar. So click on this size, hold Alt and click on it to add expression, and we will use this expression. You can copy from the description. If you play the animation, you will see something like this. Glowing side is shrinking and expanding and it's looking really beautiful. Now shrink the layer and press P and we will add expression. So hold Alt and click on it and tie wiggle open bracket 1,35 and close bracket and play the animation, and you will see this jar is floating. After that, go back to the project panel and make a new composition, and let's name it text and make the width size 4111 and height 300 pixel and hit OK and type your text here. So I will use this font Poppins Bold, and let's make the yellow color. You can copy the X code and hit OK and type your text here. So I will type Bold Berry and again Ctrl C to copy this one and paste, and make sure it should be center aligned and keep the little distance from the left and right. Now go to the main composition and drag and drop this text into the timeline and press S and decrease the text size and move it up and again decrease the scale size. So let's make it 47% and go to the effect and preset panel and search CC Rapid Tile and apply onto text layer and expand the right 5000 and expand left will be also 5000. After that, go again effect and preset panel and search transform and apply onto the text. After that, go to the beginning and add a position keyframe of this transform and press U to see the keyframe Go to the end of the timeline and increase the position value like this, and it will move to the right side. Play the animation, you will see this text is going to the right side. Now select the text and right click and layer style and select this inner glow and expand the inner glow, and we will use this time red color and hit OK and change the blend mode to the color dodge and make the range value 27%, size value 10 and opacity 50%. I used wrong blend mode, so change it to the multiply, and now inner glow is looking good on this text. After that we will add outer glow, so go to the layer style and select this outer glow, shrink the inner glow and expand the outer glow and change the blend mode to the color dodge and opacity 55% and change the color to the red and hit OK, and let's make this size 50, and this is too brighter, so we will decrease the opacity value, so let's make it 33%. Now text glow is looking good. So now shrink everything and fit the screen. After that select the text and control it to duplicate and move it down and press U to see the keyframes and swap the keyframes and move it to the right side and this one to the left side. Now play the animation, you will see something like this, your text animation. Now select both of these text and control it to duplicate and move it down Now select all text layers and again control to duplicate and move it down again. Make sure all text alignment should be proper. And if you play the animation, you will see something like this beautiful animation. Now we will make darker edges. So double click on the rectangle and change the color. So I will make this first color white and second color as well white and third color will be black and hit OK. And if you don't see this handle, go to the view and enable this show layer controls and move this handle to the right side like this and move it under this char, and guys change the blend mode to the multiply. This circle is not looking good, so again go to the change color and hit OK. You will see this handle again and move it to the right side like this. Now I will move the location of the gradient, so click on it and select this black and move it to the right side like this. And I will change the color of this second value, so I will make it little gray. And you can adjust the location as per requirement and hit OK. And you will see something like this beautiful vignette on the edges. So name it vignette. Now right click, new, add a adjustment layer and name it background blurriness. And move the adjustment layer under the jar layer like this. And go to the effect and preset panel and search Gaussian blur and apply onto this adjustment layer. Now we will apply the expression on this blurriness. So hold Alt and click on it to add expression. So we will use this expression. You can copy paste from the description. So select everything from here and Ctrl C to copy and paste here, Ctrl V to paste. So now our animation is almost done and it's looking really good. So guys, right click, add a null object and name it text controller and move it under the vignette. And I can't see my parent column here, so I will add the column. So right click, go to the column and I will add this parent here and select all of these text and parent with the text controller and press S and increase the scale size. And go to the beginning, add a keyframe and go to the around 3 seconds and decrease the scale size like this. And go to the around 5 seconds and increase it again. Let's move the right side. And you will see like this text scale in and scale out. And go to the around 8 seconds and copy this keyframe, Ctrl C to copy and paste here, Ctrl V to paste. And now copy this keyframe, Ctrl C to copy this one and go to the and Ctrl V to paste the keyframe. So congratulations guys, our animation is completed. So play the animation and this is looking really good. Thanks for the watching. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. It really support and help me to keep making more content for you. You will find all the files and resources linked in the description. So go check them out. If you like the project file, just drop a comment and I will share it with you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.